Austin, it's Jenny from NEU Appliance Outlet. If you think having a small kitchen means settling for small features, you're gonna wanna see this. This is the Whirlpool 24-inch gas range, and it's the perfect small space solution, offering a full 3 cubic foot oven to fit your family's needs. And you also get an AccuSimmer burner, which is perfect for maintaining low, even heat for sauces and soups. When you're done, cleanup is easy because the burners are sealed, and these cast iron grates are completely dishwasher safe. But my favorite feature is this separate broiler drawer. You can use it to quickly melt or brown a dish, all while your main oven is still free for baking. So come see it for yourself at our Austin showroom location today, or check out our full live inventory at newapplianceoutlet.com. And remember, that's NEU, it's like new, but more affordable.